What's good, goddammit? This be your boy Farod motherfucking Robinson, nigga. Now I can finally say you already know what the fuck is really happening. We in this bitch. Like what? Like broke on my ass. Wait, today we on some fucking shit, nigga. We gonna watch motherfucking television, nigga. Not TV, television. And guess what the fuck we gonna watch it? Okay, goddammit. Oh. Any money more touch that one. Yeah. Yeah. See, I just changed my fucking mind. We ain't finna watch this shit in here. I'm gonna take that bitch down the train track, so let's go. Oh my fuck. I can't do this shit. What the fuck? See, you motherfuckers better be so glad I love you to shit. Cause I'm tired. I can't feel my fucking arm and I'm holding this damn camera. Look at my shirt. My shit bacon neck and shit. I just carried this fucking TV from there all the way to right here. Way the fuck down there, nigga. Right here, right motherfucking there. You see them goddamn signs right here? Bitch, that's where I came from. Man, fuck. I can't feel shit. Oh. But anyway, man, we watching TV, so what's up, man? Damn, that's my favorite channel. Let's change it. It didn't work. Bitch. As you fucking know, these TV screens is hard than a bitch. These old 80s motherfuckers, they hard as hell. So today we gonna do a fucking challenge, bitch. And we gonna call the motherfucker TV versus train tracks, damn it, since that's where the fuck we at. So let's start.
Get your ass over here! You wanna be cool and shit, huh? You wanna be cool and shit? Okay, come on, bitch. Yeah, we gonna be cool today, goddammit. This your face? Is this your face? You want your fucking face? Fuck your face. Here. Oh shit, there's ants. Ain't scared of no fucking ants. Oh, look at your ass. You got a big booty, bitch. You stupid son of a bitch! Fuck yo motherfucking ass! I said come here! I'm friends with the monsters that's under my bitch! Here go your heart. You want your fucking heart? Fuck that heart, bitch! Oh, come here. Are you okay? Oh, yeah! Kiss your own ass! Oh, this your voice box. This is what you use to talk. Well, here, I'm gonna give it back to you. Psych!
Well, it look like the fucking train tracks won, okay? I'm trying to change the channel, but it won't fucking work, damn. Oh shit, it's the nature show. Damn. Well, look, my little fucking people. That's gonna be it for the fucking day today. I hope y'all fucking enjoyed the shit as much as I did. Make sure you give this video a like for me, please, if you liked it. Subscribe if you're new, nigga. Please press the bell, because you won't get my notifications for my videos unless you press the bell, because YouTube wants some other shit. But other than that, my last two videos gonna be on the screen when this motherfucker go black. So now that I said that, watch them. I'm out. I love you. Peace. Ha.